Hello, welcome to the channel. Got this package here earlier today. Not sure where it's from. Could be an AliExpress package, but not entirely sure. Let's see where okay. I know what that is now. That's an HDMI adapter for the N64. Because I ordered an N64 off of Etsy, but it still has yet to show up. I think I got scammed actually, so I've got to file a claim on Etsy. Alright, sweet. So that plugs into the N64, an HDMI out, and a power cable, which I think goes on the side. USB, it's a micro USB cable. I'm just looking here. Where's it go? Oh, it goes, whoops, right there. Provide power. For what purpose, I'm not entirely sure, but it should probably still work even without using the micro USB cable. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.